How to set up Monday CRM 2025. In this video, I'm going to be quickly showing you on how you can set up your Monday CRM in the easiest way. Now, if you want to use monday.com, do make sure to check the link down in the description below to get started off right away. Now, once you're here in your Monday work management space, what you're going to want to do over here to start yourself off and to set everything up is, first of all, you're going to come over to your workspaces and create a workspace. Now, I already have a workspace, but if you don't, you're simply going to create one for yourself. Now, once you've done that, you can actually click on this plus icon to add items. Now, what you can do is you can either add a blank section, like a blank project or a blank portfolio space, or you can go over to their template center and actually choose the different templates created by them. So let's say we want to go with the project management template. Once you've gone to it, click on use template. Now, once you've done that, here it says creating your template boards. So it's simply going to go ahead and load the templates in. It shouldn't take a lot of time, so let's just wait for it to load in. And once it's done, as you can see, you have a proper project management board up and running. And to obviously set things up for yourself, you can make changes in it. Like, let's say from to do, you can change it to design. Let's say you're in design and creative. So over here, you can do that design. Let's say we can switch this up to creative. And once you do that, you can go ahead and change the recurring inline tasks in it as well if you want to. Then moving on, you also have different views up here like the Gantt view, you have Kanban view, you have the task view, and a whole lot more to work with. And just as so, that is how you're going to be setting up Monday CRM for yourself. So thank you for watching this video till the end. Do make sure to check the link down in the description below. And that is all from me. Thank you for watching till the end. I'll see you all next time. Have a great day. Goodbye.